Hello, this video is going to be to help you learn how to make a multiplication chart. It's not intended, this video is not made to help you memorize your multiplication facts. I'm going to be doing other videos for that. This video is just made to help you learn how to make a multiplication chart. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is going to be right here on this corner. You're going to put the multiplication sign. And then from here, we're just going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we're going to be going across. Starting with the multiplication sign, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, once we finish that, what we're going to do next is highlight. So we don't get it confused we don't get these numbers confused with the work that we are doing. So let's highlight. Now that we've highlighted, we're ready to begin filling out our multiplication chart. Now, throughout the video, you're going to hear me saying the word multiples. Multiples is just a fancy word of saying skip counting. Okay, these are synonyms right here. Multiples means skip counting. Okay, and when you're doing multiples, you're starting with 0. When you're doing skip counting, you're starting with 0. Okay, now, first one we're going to be doing is going to be doing the multiples of 1 or skip counting by 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, once we do skip the multiples of 1 going down vertically, we're going to do them going across horizontally. Okay? We already have the first one there, 1. See, we're doing multiples of 1, starting with the first one. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is extremely important to do it the way I'm doing if you're watching this video. This is the way I teach my students. This is the way I've taught my own kids when they were learning this. Okay, it does make it a whole lot faster, at times easier to fill this out. I know it might seem a little confusing. The more times you do this video or the more times you complete the multiplication chart like this, the more you'll start to understand it. Okay, now after the ones, we're going to be doing the multiples of 2. Okay, so multiples of 2, starting with the first one. First one is 2. Remember, these are skip counting, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now, because we did our multiples of 2 going down, now we're going to go across. Okay, multiples of 2, starting with the first one. First one is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay? Now, from there, once we finish doing the 2s, we're going to go to the 5s. Now, I know some of you are wondering why I skipped the 3. Don't worry. Just keep doing it the way I'm doing it, okay? So multiples of 5, starting with the first one. First one is 5, 10. See how we're doing skip counting of 5? So multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, we did it going down. Now we're going to go across. Okay, so multiples of 5 going across. 5, 10, 15, 20. We already have 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. See that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Once again, if you ever get confused on any of this video, please just pause, rewind, and go back. After the 5, the 10. Okay, these are the ones that you should know how to do skip counting right away. Okay, so multiples of 10, skip countings of 10, starting with the first one. First one is 10, and then 20, 30, 40, 50 is there, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Multiples of 10. Now we're going to go multiples of 10 going across. Okay, so multiples of 10, starting with the first one. First one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay, after the 10s, we're going to be doing the 11s. Okay, your 11s are your double digits. So it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Then it's 110. And because remember, these are multiples. This is skip counting. You're just adding 11 more. So 110 plus 11, guess what? I'm going to use these numbers right here. So it's 110. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121. And I stopped on the 11th one because I'm doing multiples of 11. So it's 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132. See that? Now, we did our multiples of 11 going down. We're going to do our multiples of 11 going across. But guess what? They're right here also. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Let me see. We're doing 11s going down. 110. Remember, they're the ones in red. 111, 121. So right here, it's going to be 132. Okay, so now after this one, we're going to be doing our multiples of 9. Okay, let me do that a little bit better. Multiples of 9. Now with the multiples of 9, yes, there is a little trick. Okay, so in order for this little trick to really understand it, you have to put a 0 right there. Now, once again, this video is not meant to help you memorize the multiplication facts. This is really to help you with filling out a multiplication chart. I'll be doing other videos later on, okay, for the multiplication facts. So going back to the multiples of 9, here's the little trick. On the ones place value, you're going to be counting backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The tens place value, you're going to be counting up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then you have 99. Remember, we're doing our 9s. Please, we're doing our filling this out. We're doing multiples of 9. Skip counting by 9. We're at 99. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. See that? 9's going across. Look, we already have them here. 9, 18, 27. You see how we're just copying them? We're working smarter, not harder. 45, just copy them down. We already did it one time. So now you're just copying them down. 81, and then 90, 99, 108. You see that? Now, after the nines, okay, now we're going to go and finally get to those threes that I know some of you are wondering, when are we going to do the threes? Okay, let's do the threes now. Okay, so multiples of 3, skip counting by 3. We're just going down. 3, 6, 9. Now, if you don't know them, that's fine. 9, 10, 11, 12. You see that? Use this right here. 15's already down. 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24. We have all of these. 33, 34, 35, 36. There you go. Now we're going to go across. We're going to work smarter, not harder. Okay, so we already have the 3, the 6, the 9. That's going to be a 12 because we're going down. 15 is there. 18, 21, 24, 27 is there. 30, 33, 36. See that? Smarter, not harder. Now, after the threes, the next one is going to be multiples of 4. We're going to do the 4s. 4, 8, 12 is already there. 13, 14, 15, 16. 20 plus 4, 24, because we're doing the 4s. 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32. 33, 34, 35, 36. Oh, all of these are done, sorry. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. You see that? See how it helps out? Smarter, not harder. Now, we're going to fill out the 4s going across. Remember, we just did the 4s going down. So, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Oh, 36 is already there because I'm doing the 4s. 40, oh, that's there. 44, oh, that's there. 48. See that? Smarter, not harder. Then, after that, we are going to do the 6s. So, let's do the 6s. Okay. So, for the 6s, here we go. Okay. Let me see, somewhere around right there. 6. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 plus 6 is 36. And then 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Because remember, we're doing our 6s. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. All of these are done. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Now we're going to go across. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. This one is supposed to be 42 because we're going down on the 6. We're going across. 36, 42, 48. All of these are filled out. 72. Now, the next ones, okay? These last ones, it's just the 7, the 8, and the 12 we have to fill out. There's only 3 of them now. These are the ones that they call the teasers or something like that, okay? Been a while since I've done these. So the next one we're going to be filling out is going to be the 7s. So let me see if you can see this. Hopefully you can. Okay. The next one we're going to be filling out is going to be the 7s. So see how many 7s we already have? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. We're doing 7s. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. We stop on the 7th one because we're doing the 7s. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. We already have these: 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Now we're going to go across. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, going down and across. 56, 63 is already there. 70 is already there. 77 is already there. 84. See? Working smarter, not harder. Okay? Next, after the 7, it's going to be the 8s. Multiples of 8, okay? Or skip counts of 8. Multiples of 8, starting with the first one. First one is 8, 16, 24. We got all those. 56. We're skip counting by 8. Okay? So 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. We're going up to the 8. We have all of those. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Working smarter, not harder. Let's go across. So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Now, the last one is going to be the 12s. But look, we only have one to do. Only one, because we kept on going down, then across, down, and then across. And as you're doing that, some of the other ones get filled out automatically. That's why I like to do it this way. Okay? Working smarter, not harder. Next, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144. Going across. Oh, wait. Nothing to go across because we already filled it out. And that's it. That's all there is to this. Now, once again, if you get confused, stop, rewind. Also, make sure you do it in the order that I'm doing it in. Don't do it in any other order. This is the easiest way I know how on filling this out. Okay? Next, this is not a video to help you with memorizing the multiplication facts. No, this is the video on learning how to fill out a multiplication chart. I'll be doing videos on learning your multiplication facts. But having said that, this multiplication chart, you can use it for, of course, multiplying numbers. You can use it for division. You can do it for fractions. You can use it for perimeter. Okay, there's lots of things. There's several little things you can use this for. Okay, hopefully this video has helped you out. Once again, if you ever stuck on something, pause, rewind, go back to it, ask for help. Maybe somebody can help you try to understand what I'm talking about when doing this video. Okay, have a great one. Bye-bye.